All right, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to be teaching you how to actually increase the volume of your audio. Let's say maybe you shoot your video, and the audio is poor. All right, you don't have a good volume for your audio, and you want to make the volume very clear and audible. Maybe you have done your video without mic, you don't have a mic, and now if you don't have a mic, this shouldn't stop you from shooting your videos, because you can actually shoot directly with your phone, and at the end of the day you will use this system that I'm going to show you to make your audio very clear. All right, you are going to increase your audio by 100%, by 1000%. Actually, you're going to increase your audio by 1000%, and it's going to be very loud, and even more than the ones that were shot with mic. Is that okay? So to do that, we are going to be using Inshot for this particular class. All right, if you don't have Inshot, you can simply go to your Play Store and download Inshot. But I already have Inshot. You can see the Inshot, Inshot, that is Inshot. If you don't have it, go to your Play Store and just type Inshot, and you'll be allowed to install. All right, since I already have it, I'll simply open the app. I'll just open the app. All right, when I open the app, I will visit my video. You can see where you have video, you have photo, you have is it college. So you want to go to your video. That is where we are going to do that. I already have some videos that I have done here, so I want to go to and get a new video. So to do that, I'll simply click on plus sign. All right, when I click on plus sign, I want to choose the particular video that I want to use for this purpose. Is that okay? All right, I want to choose the video I want to use. All right, so I'm going to be choosing I need a video, so I'll simply let me choose this video. Like I said, it's just for the purpose of practice. Let me just show you. So I'll just choose this.
Thank you for watching this video. My name is Daniel Michael, and
you can see the audio for this video is quite loud, but the audio is quite loud, but I don't want to. I want to increase it more just to show you sample. Is that okay? I just want to show you sample by increasing it, so that you know the difference from when I increase it and when it was original. All right, so let me play it so that you hear the volume. You can see the volume is very loud.
Thank you for watching this video. My name is Daniel Michael, and this.
All right, so let me increase the volume. All right, like this video, we are going to be doing one particular thing, which is increasing the volume of your audio by 1000%, making your audio to be very loud. With this system, you don't have to be afraid of whether you don't have mic or anything. You can simply use your video. Maybe you have been thinking of how to start creating content and you don't know how to go about it because of certain requirements, your audio quality and all of that. So this is a very good help for you. So to increase your audio, what you need to do is simply click click on the major video, which is this. Even if you don't click on it, it's just one that we have, so you can actually, it is one audio, so you don't need to actually click on it. So just look for your audio here. Sorry, this is a mistake. So now you have canvas on these icons. On this icon, that is where you are going to do that. You see canvas, you see music and all of this. So go straight to the place where you have volume. All right, you see where you have volume. After speed, you see crop, then you see volume. Simply tap on volume. Now when you come to volume, you have option to increase this volume to 200%. You can see that, you know, it's now on 200%. Normally it is on on 100%, all right, but you can increase it to 200% and it will be louder than previous. All right, if you increase it to 200%, it's going to be louder than the normal 100%. All right, but now I want to make it very loud. All right, so even if your audio is very poor, very low, you can make it very loud from here. All right, to do that, you simply go to extract audio. You can see at the bottom, you see where they wrote extract audio. Click on that, extract audio. So when you click on extract audio, it will bring you to this place. Now you have option to double your audio. You have option to double the volume times any limit you want. All right, so to do this, simply click on the place where you have extract. Click on it. Okay, it's already highlighted, so you click here and search for, come to the place where you have duplicate. You can see that after voice effect, you see the noise. The noise is for maybe you want to remove noise from your audio, so you simply click on duplicate. Click on duplicate and it would you can see the audio is now you click on it and hold it and drag it to the extreme end. All right, drag it to the extreme end. You click on it again and click duplicate. It will duplicate. You click on it, hold it, drag it again to the extreme end, play it
on the subscription button below.
You can see,
subscribe to this channel.
You can see your video, your audio is now better, it's now louder. Your audio is now louder. Let's click on it again and duplicate. Still drag it again to the extreme end. So now your audio is very loud.
My name is Daniel Michael.
Alright, you can see.
And this is Divine Habitation.
You can see that your audio is very better than it was before. The only thing that will now happen to this video is that the megabyte will be more higher. Whether the megabyte or the gigabyte, depending on the size of your video, is going to be more higher than it was before. All right, but even if it is higher, I'm still going to show you a system that you will use to reduce the height, the size of your audio. All right, the size of your video entirely. All right, that is video compressor. All right, there's a particular video compressor that there are some video compressors that you are going to use. It is going to reduce the quality while reducing the size. All right, but the system I'm going to show you, you are going to use it to reduce your video quality, your video size, and then retain the original quality. Is not going to reduce by any single percent. All right, so in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to compress your video to get a better size and then retain the quality. Is that okay? So if you want to have that video, what you need to do right now is to go over to the subscription button and subscribe to this channel and like this video, so that anytime I post that particular video, you are going to have the video immediately, depending on the time you are watching, or you can just look around, check the channel and search. You are going to find that video, or if I remember, I can still put it on the description so that you can be able to watch that video. Is that okay? All right, so if you have any question, maybe if you can't find it on the description and you can't find it anywhere around this video, simply send me a message on the WhatsApp, on my WhatsApp, through the phone number you are seeing on your screen right now, or you can see my phone number on the comment section or the description. All right, send me a message and you are going to have that for yourself. Is that okay? Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and you can share to those that you think that also need to get this information. All right, just let me conclude this. After doing this, after increasing your video, your audio, the next thing you want to do is to click on good, and it is done. Then you can come to your save. Click on save. You can see the estimate we have is 31.2 megabyte. All right, you can actually increase it. It will increase based on the size of your video. You can click on save. Once you click on save, it will start saving. This is just an ad. Just wait a moment, we are almost done. All right, you can see it is converting video 39%, 40, and all of that. Immediately after it is done, it will start playing. Okay, it's remaining very small, so let's just wait for it so that you see everything by yourself. All right, it is done, so just click on it.
Thank you for watching this video.
You can see,
name is Daniel Michael.
You can see the volume is very loud now. All right, you can see the volume is very loud now. I just used this video that I created some time ago for my one of my channels to do this for you. All right, so if you enjoy this class, simply click on the subscription button and subscribe to the channel so that you get notification as we upload every week, and we upload skills that will be of help to you and to your growth. All right, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.